Hey, good afternoon. I didn't get to send a video last week, so got you one this week. But we're gonna get some different exercises in. Just want to try to freshen things up for you. So want to make sure you keep moving. So as we usually do, we're gonna go ahead and start with our regular warm up. So here we go. Once again, remember everything. You can do everything from the seated position, including this. So all we're doing is we're marching in place, just like so. Now, once again, you can do that from the seated position. Okay? All right, let's take it out. I'm going to bring it back in a little bit here. All right, let's get some of those arm circles going. And we're going to reverse it back. Big arm circles to the front. And reverse. Good. Let's get some push, pull in. Push, pull. Remember, you can do all this from the seated position. Good. Step it out. Or actually, swing it out. So we can go ahead and have a seat, and we're going to do just some butt kickers. We're kicking back. Actually, let's tell you what. Let's go ahead and do it standing up. Let's use it. If you can stand up, if you can't, you can use that chair. If not, we'll do it from a standing position. Just alternate those feet. Bring those feet up. Now, once again, about demonstration demonstrated. Make sure if you need to do it from a seated position, you're just kicking those feet back, trying to warm up those legs. Now we're just doing a little bit of kick out. You can easily do that from the chair. Good. I'm going to march it back out again. All right. So, as usual, make sure that you've got water with you. You want to make sure you're staying hydrated. Remember, if we're getting thirsty, we're at the beginning points of dehydration, so make sure you're staying hydrated, okay? Today we're going to concentrate a little bit more on some balance things that help with balance. We can do a lot of them from the chair. We're going to work on those calf muscles, strength. That's one of the things. Those strong calf muscles help with strong ankles. Strong ankles are going to help with balance and stability. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to start off with a calf raise, just like so. All we're doing is bring the heels up. Now, if you want to make it a little bit harder, if you got little weights, you can set them right on your knee there, just like so. Okay. All right. So we're going to start those in 3, 2, 1, go. Just like so. I got 3 more. All right, guys. Remember, if you get tired doing an exercise, you need to stop. Or if I'm doing so many and you're tired halfway through, you can stop at any point you want to. Take a rest. Remember your exertion levels, 1 through 10. 1 being absolute easiest, you're ready to go. 10 being so hard you couldn't do another rep. Never want to get to that point. Maybe get to a 5. Feel like you're working, but you're not overdoing it. Okay? We're going to do the same exercise with our calves again. Ready, go. And rest. Okay, I'm going to add a new one in here. I don't think I've done this with you guys yet, but on our calf raises, we're going to do a reach up with our calf. As we're doing that, we're reaching up, okay? So we're doing the calf raise and the reach up at the same time. All right, we're going to do that one in 3, 2, 1, go. Calf raise, reach up. Calf raise, reach up. Keep that going. I'm doing 2 more. Here we go. Good. All right. So now we work the back part of our leg, our calf muscles. Now we're going to work our shin area. Okay. So work that front part. Get those part of your leg good and strong to help with that balance. All we're going to do, we're going to just lift our toes up. Very hard to see, but just a slight lift on the toes, just like that. We're going to start that in 3, 2, 1, go. Three more. 1, 2, 3. Good. All right. We're going to do 2 more sets of that, and we'll go to the next exercise. All right. Let's get ready. In 3, 2, 1, go. Three more. Good. All right. I'm going to do that one more time. All right. In 3, 2, 1, go. Three more. 1, 2, 3. Good. Okay. So the next exercise, we're going to do a step, side step, another step. So just a couple of short, choppy steps. 1, 1, 2. And then on the third one, we're going to bring the leg up and go 1, 1, up. Okay? All right. Just follow me. Stay with me on it. Actually, we're going to get ready. We can go 1, 1, 1. And the third one, we're bringing this leg up off the ground. A little bit of balancing in your chair. 1, 1, and up. Okay. Back the other way. 1, 1, and up. And 1, 1, and up. Keep that going. 1, 1, and up. We'll walk count there. And up. Keep that going. Almost done. We're going to do one more to each side. Here we go. Coming back to the other side. Good. All right. Step that out a little bit. Okay. So this next one we're going to do, if you remember this, it's been a while since we've done it. We're going to stay in the seated position with this. Now, if you feel good about it, I'm fine with you getting up and standing up, holding on to something. Okay. So I'm going to show you both ways on this to start off with. But if you're standing up, hold on to a chair or something. Just have it right there for support. And we're going to take our outside leg here, and we're going to tap out. Make sure you can see me here. We're tapping out, then we're coming back. Then we're going to tap out with the other foot, hit the ground, come back, and then we're going to take this foot and hold out just above the ground for about 2 seconds. 3, 2, that's about 3. Then we're going to do the other leg. So just follow along. And once again, you can do it from a seated position. Okay? So we're going tap, tap, and hold out in the air. 3, 2, 1, down. Then we're going to start with this leg. Okay? So y'all try to stay with me if you can. Once again, you can do it standing or seated. Okay? In 3, 2, 1, go. We're going to tap, tap, and hold for 3, 2, 1, down. Remember, this leg's off the ground now. Now tap with the other one. Tap, tap. Now hold this one off the ground for 3, 2, 1, down. Good. Back here. Tap, tap, and 3, 2, 1, down. Good. Tap, tap, and 3, 2, 1, down. One more time on each leg. All right, here we go. Tap, tap, and 3, 2, 1, down. Here we go. Tap, tap, and 3, 2, 1, down. Step it out a little bit. Let's take about a 30-second little break here. Get you some water. Make sure you're staying hydrated. All right, while you're getting some water, just talk for a few seconds here. Just hope everybody had a good weekend and enjoyed nice weather. Hope you could get out some over there. Not sure what kind of restrictions y'all got over there still, but I hope you're getting out and able to enjoy the sun a little bit. So since it's warming up some. All right, let's remember, stay hydrated. Remember exertion levels. If you feel you can't do it, just set it out. No big deal. Okay? All right, so this next one, we're going to take this foot, we're going to tap to the front, tap to the side, and come back at a little bit of an angle, and come back to center. Okay? So we're going to be moving around with this right leg to start off with. Okay? All right, let's get ready. We're going to start in 3, 2, 1, go. We're staying with the same leg. Tap front, tap side, tap back, and center. All right, here we go again. Same leg. Tap front, tap side, tap back, and center. Okay? Tap front, tap side, tap back, and center. Let's keep that going. Tap front, tap side, tap back, center, front, side, back, center. Let's do 3 more on that leg. Front, side, back, center. 2 more. Front, side, back, center, front, side, back, center. Good. Step it out a little bit. All right, now we're going to do the other leg. Once again, and what I'm going to do, I want you to do it the same way. I'm going to do this next one showing standing up. You can do it sitting down. Just want to make sure I'm showing both ways, okay? If you're standing up, I want you holding on to a chair, okay? Now remember, you can still do it sitting down. So we're tapping front, tapping side, tapping back, and coming center. Front, side, back, center. Front, side, back, center. Let's keep that going. Front, side, back, center. Just remember on the standing part, don't want you to take any chances. If you don't feel comfortable with the standing, don't stand. Just stay seated. You're fine. You're still going to work that balance because you're kind of coming up on one side there. Got 3 more, including this one. 2 more. We got 1 more. Okay. Now I'm going to show you both ways again on this one, from the seated position and standing position. Pretty much the same thing, except all we're doing now, we're going to advance it a little bit. So we're going to tap front. We're going to swing our leg around to the back and then come center. Okay? Now if you're standing, just tap front, swing around, and come back center. Okay? So we're letting our legs stay in the air a little bit more, a little bit more balance on that. All right, so here we go. We're going to tap front, swing around, tap back, center. Tap front, swing around, tap back, center. Front, swing, back and 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 center. Keep it going. I got 3 more. Front, swing, and center. Front, swing to the back, center. I got 1 more. Front, swing. Good. Now, you can stay seated and do the other side. I'm just doing a demonstration so you can see standing, okay? So we're going to tap front, swing, back, center. Front, swing back, and center. Hold that chair for support. Front, swing back, center. Front, swing to the back, center. Front, swing to the back, center. I got 3 more. Front, swing to the back, center, 2 more. Swing to the back, center, 1 more. Good. All right. Now the next one you can do from seated or standing position again, okay? What we're going to do is heel to toe, okay? You can stand on this. If you're having to stay in seated position, just take one foot in front of the other and switch the other foot in front of the other, okay? If you can do it from the standing position, we're going to hold the chair to our side here, okay? Just like so. Let me show you from this side, okay? Hold my chair over here, okay? And we're going to do some heel to toe. I'm going to step slightly behind the chair. We're going to do 3 steps forward and then 3 steps back. Make sure you're holding that chair, okay? So it's going to be 1, 2, 3. Pushing heel to toe, okay? Heel to toe. 1, 2, 3. Good. I'm going to show you going from this position here, okay? All right, let's get ready. Going forward. 1, 2, 3, and back. Remember, if any of these you feel unsafe doing it, just don't do it. It's okay to set 1 or 2 out if you need to. Going back to the front again. 1, 2, 3, and back. 1, 2, 3. We're going to go front and back one more time. 1, 2, 3, and back. 2, 3. Good. Step it out. All right, we're going to give the feet a rest a little bit. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to do some reach overs. Okay. By doing this, kind of get ourselves a little bit angled. Now, I don't want you to reach too far over. Don't want you falling out of your chair. Don't go anywhere you don't feel comfortable with. Hold on to it. So what we're going to do, we're going to reach up and out, just like so. Okay. Let me show you from a side position. It's kind of hard to tell in the video. You don't have me there live. So kind of up and out, just like so. Okay. All right. Let's get ready. And we're going to alternate sides. So we're going to go here, we're going to come down, and we're going to go here and come down. So kind of reaching out to the side there. Get that reach to keep your balance. What I want you to do, what you think about kind of drawing your belly button in a little bit, keeping your core tight. That's what gives you that balance. All right. Make sure our legs are set. Okay, that helps with the balance too. Okay, here we go. We're going 3, 2, 1, go. Up and reach. Come back. Up and reach, other side. Come back. Up and reach. Reach. Keep it going. We're going 3 more to each side. One more to each side. Good. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take, as you're just sitting in your chair, we're going to take our hand out to our side, straight out to the side. Now I want you to bring your hand up just like so. I'm going to move a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing here a little bit better because you don't have to necessarily see my feet. Okay? So taking our hand outside. And what I want you to do, once again, this kind of helps with neurological balance too. So we're going to look at our hand and we're going to bring our hand to the front, just like so. Follow your hand. Look at it and back to the side. And we're going to do that 3 times and then 3 times the other side. Okay? All right. So hands out here. Now look at your hand. If you get dizzy doing this, I want you to stop. Okay? All right. So here, bring your hand to the front. Come. Look to the front. Bring it back out to the side. And we're going to go again to the front. To the side. One more time. To the front. To the side. Good. All right. Shake that out a little bit. Now we're going to go to the other side. Hand out. Arm up. Look. Bring it to the front. Back to the side. To the front. Back to the side. One more time. To the front. back to the side. Good. Let's swing that out a little bit. All right. Very good. Okay. So now what we're going to do, we're going to do some of our stack the shells. Okay. This, you got to keep that core tight for your balance. Okay. So what we're going to do, remember how we done it? Let me move back a little bit because I want everybody to be able to see my feet. So this is going to be where we're reaching out for something on a high shelf. We're going to reach this side. We're going to reach bottom, actually to a low shelf first. Low shelf, then high shelf. So remember how we do this. I know it's been a while since y'all done this one with me, so pay attention. We're going to take this leg out. We're going to stabilize yourself. And we're going to go down here like we're picking up a box. And we're going to come back center. We're going to take this leg, stabilize yourself, and put it up here. Okay? And come back down. Okay? Same way each side, then we'll switch to the other side. Okay? All right, in 3, 2, 1, go. Stabilize yourself. Back up center. Stabilize yourself over here and put it up. Come back down. Just like so. And up. Okay? The best way I can describe this is reaching out and unloading the dishwasher, taking it up, putting it in the cabinet. All right? All right. Let's do 3 more. Here we go. Good. All right. We're going to do it one set from this side, going this side. We got to get both sides. It's like having 2 dishwashers and 2 sets of cabinets, okay? All right. So here we go. Ready? Go. Foot out. Here. Come back center. Over and up. Here. And up. Good. I'm doing 3 more. Stay with me. Remember, if you're tired, though, you can stop. Remember that. I got 1 more. Here we go. All right, good. All right, we got 1 more exercise, and that's going to be our wonderful sit to stands. Okay? Move my chair back a little bit so you can focus here. And remember with sit stands, if you're tired and can't do the sit stands, do leg extensions instead. Okay? So we're going to start in 3, 2, 1, go. I'm going to demonstrate leg extensions. Keep on going. That's leg extensions instead, or sit to stands. I got 1 more. Good. Okay, we're going to do 1 more set of that. Catch your breath. Once again, second set. If you're not ready to go, if you're still tired, just set it out, okay? We're going to a cool down after this. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm doing 2 more. Remember, you can go slower than me if you want to. So if you do just 1 more, it's fine. And we're going to try to stay standing. Now, if you're seated, stay seated, but we're going to march it out. You can march it out from the seated position. Take those marches out wide. Once again, you can be in the seated position doing this. You want to loosen up those hips. Remember, this is a cool down, so this is relaxation, so you want to take it easy. And back in. All right, so we're going to breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. Swing it out. All right, let's stretch those legs out a little bit. Remember how we do this? Remember, we don't drop our head, okay? Head neck stays neutral with your spine. Walk your fingers down your shin until you feel it stretch and hold. Remember, if the stretch hurts, you need to back off of it. Walk it up. Go the other leg. You only go to the point you feel it, not to the point it hurts. Walk it back up. All right. Very good. Okay. So we're going to take our arm out, come across. I did leave out one of your leg exercises or stretches. We'll get back to that in a minute. Other arm out, come across. Good. All right, let's go back to that. We're going to take that leg back, put it kind of behind you. We want to stretch out that quad a little bit. Make sure you're in a safe position doing these. Good. Let's go to the other leg and back. Good. Okay. Now with the hands, we're going to take them back, push back, like you're trying to open up wide for like a big hug. And then push your fingers back, okay? We want to stretch all the way from our fingers all the way through our chest here, okay? And hold that. Good. Now we're going to come hands up in the air, palms back, walk those fingers back down your neck and hold. Very good. Let's stretch our neck a little bit. We're going to take our ear down to our shoulder. And go to the other side, down to the other shoulder and hold. We're going to do that again on each side. Down again. Remember, if these neck exercises hurt, you need to not do them. That's with any stretch or exercise. Other side. Good. Let's take our shoulders up and back. Open up your chest wide. Very good. All right, let's swing it out. And that's it. I will see y'all again. I'll do another video for you next week. So I hope y'all are enjoying these best you can. So I'll try to change it up for you some again next week and get you another video going next week. Thank you very much. And y'all take care out there. Miss you guys. Bye-bye.